Welcome to the exciting world of project management. Today, we're going to delve into the role of a business analyst on projects. The business analyst role on projects is an important part of a project team. They have responsibilities for tracking down information and gathering and socializing the scope of the project. Meet Jake, a seasoned business analyst with years of experience in the industry. He's currently working on a new project to improve the efficiency of his company's operations. In the meeting, Jake takes the lead to gather requirements from stakeholders and identify any gaps or inefficiencies in the current process. With his technical skills and expertise in process mapping and data analysis, Jake collects and analyzes information from various sources. He then presents his findings to the project team in a clear and concise manner. Jake deals with many stakeholders throughout this process, and as a subject matter expert, he is well placed to facilitate the gathering of data and understand the key requirements and desired outcomes of the project. Jake plays an important role in defining the scope of the project and creating a project plan that aligns with the stakeholders' goals and requirements. Throughout the project, he monitors progress and makes recommendations for any changes that may be necessary. As a liaison between the project team and stakeholders, Jake ensures that everyone is informed and on track. Jake's goal, as a business analyst on this project, is to support the delivery of the project and to ensure it meets the expectations of stakeholders. And that's what a business analyst does on projects. Join us again soon to explore more exciting roles in project management. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more PM tips.